Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the topic of Wishcycling. Now you might be wondering, what is Wishcycling? Well, it's not when you reuse that same birthday wish over and over again every single year. Wishcycling is a term that we're giving to a new emerging problem that people are interacting with every single day. Wishcycling is a term given to tossing questionable materials into the recycling bin in the hopes that it can be recycled anyway. You have the best intentions, but you're just not really sure. I mean, this plastic bag, it's made of plastic. It can be recycled, right? Maybe? Probably? I hope? Day in and day out, there are workers who are tirelessly removing non-recyclable materials off the recycling line, and these materials ultimately end up getting thrown into the landfill. Yes, there are machines and automation processes, but like all technology, it's just not perfect. Sometimes there are materials that squeak by the sorting process. These types of materials can get jammed up and gummed up in the machines, and they actually cause plant shutdowns, or they can even degrade the value of the materials. Here's the thing. Wishcycling represents the fact that people want to recycle. They want to do the right thing, but inconsistencies and variations in what materials are collected in different areas doesn't always make the answer to the question, is this recyclable, clear. Here are some of the most common wish-cycled items. Public enemy number one for recycling facilities everywhere are grocery, Ziplocs, and plastic bags. These types of materials, called thin plastic film, actually get wrapped around the sorting arms in the recycling facility. They end up clogging the machine, gumming it up, and causing plant shutdowns. Sometimes these plant shutdowns can last for upwards of 2 hours a day. While the logic is sound, that this bag is made of plastic, so it should be recyclable, the fact of the matter is that plastic film requires a separate process to break down, and therefore should be separated from the mixed recyclable stream. Did you know that not all glass is created equally? Wine bottles and drinking glasses actually have hardening chemicals inside of them to help increase the durability of the product. These different types of glasses actually require different temperatures to melt down and recycle properly. Therefore, they shouldn't be commingled with the rest of the glass recyclables. Also, the hardening chemicals that are still found in these products do not degrade during the melting process. This leads to imperfections in the newly recycled glass that can lead to easy breaking points. So because of this, drinking glasses are generally not recyclable. A perfect example of why wishcycling exists is plastic bottles and bottle caps. Recycling facilities just cannot agree what to do with these things. Some facilities say that as long as the water bottle still has the cap attached onto it, that it can be recycled. This is because if the cap is removed, then it can actually fall through the cracks in the machinery, causing jam-ups and shutdowns. However, other facilities say that the caps are actually not recyclable, and this is because the cap is generally made from a different type of material than the bottle itself. So when it all gets melted down, it's going to cause imperfections and impurities in the end recyclable mix. Additionally, if the plastic container with the lid still attached doesn't puncture or break during the baling and transportation process, what could happen is that the pressure buildup inside of the bottle could cause it to explode. This could cause damage to the machinery or even injure workers. So, I'm sorry, but I really don't have an answer for you on this one. Your best bet is to contact your local municipality or your waste hauler and figure out what they suggest you do with bottle lids and caps. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video informative. Remember, there is no recycling magic wand, and there's no broken glass elves or plastic bag fairies that are going to come and sort through it for you. It's up to you to make the informed choice and make the educated decision to figure out what goes where.